Good morning, everyone. I am Rafael L. Makabudbud, and I'm gonna share my flash fiction, which is entitled The Red Light. Every morning, 12-year-old Nico stood at the busy intersection, wiping car windows while waiting for the traffic light to stay red long enough to earn a few coins. Some drivers ignored him, some pushed him away with a wave, others handed him money without even looking into his eyes. One rainy afternoon, a black car stopped in front of him. Inside sat a boy about his age, wearing a clean school uniform and holding a brand new phone. Their eyes met for only a second. Nico smiled and lifted his dirty rug to clean the windshield, but the rich boy quickly rolled the window up and looked away. When the light turned green, the car sped off, splashing muddy water onto Nico's legs. He stood there quietly as the rain soaked through his clothes. Then, near the gutter, he noticed something, an untouched sandwich still warm inside its wrapper. Nico picked it up carefully like it was something fragile, something precious. Far away, inside the moving car, the rich boy leaned back in his seat and quietly complained to his mother, "I'm still hungry.